wrapping up the tractor ride here for 2024, so it was a good turnout. Really nice weather today. I don't know that we've ever had weather this nice for the tractor ride, so really nice to be able to enjoy the nice weather. And these guys are rolling out, headed back to the show. And we're going to get cleaned up, and then we're headed into the parade tonight. And so we got to get the race car cleaned up and get the trailer together. And we've got the freezer full of ice cream sandwiches again, so we're looking forward to handing out ice cream sandwiches tonight and then doing the sled pull tomorrow night. So good start to a full weekend.
Guys, another great year here at Steam Threshers, and I guess we're gonna go around and start interviewing some of the pullers, so let's have some fun. All right guys, we have Dennis Hicks here. Where are you from?
Niagara.
Perfect. As far as distance tonight, how far do you plan to pull?
I'm gonna take it out the back door, honestly. Nobody else stands a chance, as long as I don't hit lockup too soon.
Very good. Nitrous, do you have any certain kind in mind?
Nah, I don't believe in that giggle juice. Fuel only.
Very good. The fuel's always on the grind, right?
Yep, you know it.
Very good. And Carnage Award, any interest in it?
Oh, if there's not windows in this block by the end of the evening, I don't want it.
Very good. Well, you heard it here. Thank you. Good luck.
Absolutely.
All right, guys, we have Dakota Bailey here. Where are you from?
Woodstock, Ohio.
Perfect. So a couple local guys here. Do you plan to spray tonight?
Yes.
Perfect. Carnage Award by chance?
Hopefully not. We got a whole hay tomorrow.
Very good as well. So you mind showing us your bottle mount?
Yeah.
Keep in mind he uses this truck every day, so that is that's legit.
So,
perfect. And how far do you plan to go tonight?
hopefully, I don't know, just have a good pool, I guess.
Perfect. We're out here having fun, so all righty. Good luck.
There is a good bit of smoke coming out from under the truck. I am going to go ahead and say the clutch is not appreciating life. Flags are green. Here we go. Good solid hook for Tyler. Distance. All right, getting wound up. We got a green flag on the track. Not too bad for close to stop truck. This is that's what I like to see. Good clean truck going by. Driver's got a smile.
Where are you from?
Charlotte, Tennessee.
Perfect. And as far as spraying tonight, do you plan to spray?
No, fuel only.
Perfect. As far as like Carnage Award, is that something you're interested in?
I hope not, but as much fuel as I got, it's a possibility.
Oh, we're here for it. Being a 6-liter, this thing's gonna clap really good, right?
Yeah, oh yeah.
Very
I just
good.
hope I can beat somebody.
Very good. So distance tonight, what's your plan?
I just hope I can get middle of the pack somewhere. I'll be happy.
Perfect. Well, we're here to have fun, so good luck, man.
3 at 350.
All right, guys, we have Caden Gower here. Where are you from?
I'm from Utah, but I work here at Firepunk.
Perfect. So an employee of ours. How far do you plan to pull tonight?
This is my first pull, so I'm just happy to be here. So whatever it does, I don't know.
Perfect. Like a fat chick at prom. Nice. As far as spraying, do you plan to spray?
Oh yeah, we have a dash 4 line straight to the turbo. So
Perfect. And as far as carnage?
hopefully not. We'll see.
Perfect. Do you mind if we take a look at your bottle mount? Just make sure it's turned on. Alright guys, we have RJ Yoder here. Where are you from?
Plain City.
Perfect. We have a local. He actually works with us now too. So, how far do you plan to pull tonight?
As far as this will go, I don't know.
Oh no. Spraying?
Absolutely.
How much?
Most of it. Maybe all of it. Not sure.
Very good. Carnage Award.
Definitely have a good chance.
What happened last year?
Last year didn't make it. Year before that didn't make it. Year before that, bent my center link and pushed it down the track with a lot of nitrous. Went like 200 feet and got really mad. So, in honor of that, I got this shirt. So I could suck again today with this shirt on.
Very good. Good luck, sir.
I can't hear.
Nice hook. That was going good for a minute. I see a big traction bar, and that sounded like maybe.
All right, guys, we have David Garnes here. Just recently worked on this truck actually at the shop. So, what's your plans for tonight?
Go at least 100 feet, preferably. I'm not real sure that it'll make it, but we're going to try. Hoping for not the Carnage Award, but might end up there.
And are you spraying it?
I have no spray, no.
Oh, very good.
Just a lot of weight.
Perfect. Well, good luck tonight.
To the sled from Mount Snowing, Ohio, and a $98 2500.
He went home. He didn't feel good.
That is not happy sound.
All right, guys, we have Michael Brown here. What's your feelings about being back here right now?
I'm glad to be back. Enjoy it. This
Perfect.
is a great pool. Last 2 years we've been here, so it's been fun.
Perfect. Distance for tonight. How far do you plan to go?
Till it stops. Hopefully it does good.
Very good. Spraying it all.
Yeah, it's got a small kit on it we threw on earlier today at the shop.
And as far as like Carnage Award, what's your plans for tonight with it?
We won it last year with my truck, so if we win it this year, great. Hopefully we don't. It's not my truck, but if it dies, it dies.
Very good. That's how we love to see it here. Good luck, sir.
Perfect. Thank you.
Thank you.
Not today. I thought he was going to have a chance for getting a good one.
It's hotter than crap. The nitrous button wasn't working halfway through it, but we put it together late last night like last year. I'm pretty sure, did I just beat Dennis?
I think so.
Yeah, we beat Dennis and Clappy Dooley, baby. Okay, I gotta park this before it melts.
All right, guys, we have Tyler Stacy here. Where are you from?
Marietta, Ohio.
Perfect. And as far as distance pulling tonight, what are you shooting for?
Full pool's 300 feet, so let's hope we can do that at least.
Perfect. And as far as spraying, by chance?
No spray.
Damn, loaded diaper here, man. Carnage Award, any interest in it?
We haven't had any carnage really on the sled track, so let's hope not.
Hey, well, let's hope you can stay out of that circle then. So, thank you. Good luck.
Yeah, man.
All right, guys, we have Brett here. Where are you from?
From Terre Haute, Indiana, but I work at Firepunk Diesel.
Perfect. As far as distance, what's your plan for tonight?
Anything above Dennis Hicks.
Very good to hear there. Spraying, any interest?
We're not going to spray it, but we're going to see what we can do without it, and hopefully it does something.
Perfect. And as far as carnage?
If it happens, it happens, dog.
Yes, we are here for it. Thank you, sir. Good luck.
Back into the bumper hold up. Nice solid hook, distance of 260.
Hey guys, we have Cody Ham here. Where are you from?
Wilmington, Ohio.
As far as like Carnage Award or your footage for tonight, where do you plan to be?
Hopefully not Carnage Award. I hope to go home not broken with anything. And I'd like to at least make it to 300. Nothing crazy. So.
Perfect. And are you spraying at all?
No.
Damn, he can't handle it. So.
No, I'm not ready. I'm not on that level yet.
Hey, it's all right. We're here to have fun though. So thank you.
Thanks for having me out.
We have this random individual here from where?
Indiana.
Indiana, what part?
Like New Albany.
Southern Indiana, right?
Yeah.
Perfect. What's the setup on the truck?
It's a 76 on the manifold and a 106 with that. And I mean, just the basics, head studs, main studs, all that good stuff.
As far as spraying tonight, do you plan to spray?
Yeah.
A lot or a little?
Quite a bit.
Perfect. And as far as Carnage Award?
I hope I don't get it.
Perfect. Well, we're going to try to win for something, so good luck, man.
Thank you.
Yes. All right, guys, we have Max Seymour here. Where'd you come from?
Youngstown, Ohio.
Goals for tonight. What's your goal?
I don't got a footage goal in mind, but as long as I get out there, have a decent pass, and load it back on the trailer, I'll be happy.
Perfect, man. That's what we're here for, is to have fun. So, Carnage Award, any interest in it?
No. It's expensive, you know. It's an expensive hobby, so I do not have any aspirations for that.
Very good. Well, good luck, man. Hey guys, we have Kurt Hamilton here, and well, first off, what a beautiful truck, Duramax. So we're just starting to break into them. So what's your thoughts for tonight?
We're gonna come out here and compete. Maybe shooting for top 5, definitely top 10. We're going. No spray. We just got a fuel-only compound turbo truck. We'll see what happens.
And Carnage Award, if there is one, do you plan to shoot for it?
I hope not. I'm got to pull at a small festival tomorrow night. I hope I can make it there.
Kurt Hamilton out
That concludes the Plain City Polls. It was a great turnout. We had 30 trucks. It's always fun to get this action, to get the community together. We had absolutely beautiful weather, and we look forward to seeing you guys again next year.